Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to calculate percentage. As example, I will create in here, number, and the next total, and this is percentage. I will set total like into 70, and then you can set for a number, 45, 32, 15, and 60. Now for percentage, you can type equal number divide by total. Press enter. The next you can right click in the cells, click on format cells, and then go to percentage. Now you can set for decimal place, I will set like into 2. Click OK to apply. Now we can click at the corner, hold, and then move to the bottom. So that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to calculate percentage. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.